I took over as general manager in 2013, and the guy that, nothing against the guy that I took over for, but he didn't believe in Facebook, social media, computers were the devil, so when I took over, Jose and I just kind of, hey, we need to start doing stuff different. Well, it was just kind of weird on how you guys contacted us, because they got on, I guess, is that something you guys will kind of do, just kind of do random searches or something? And if you look through our file and see how much of a mess our listing was, because we had our old shop, we moved out of that when it flooded. So we moved 3 or 4 times, and then it even had the address of the founder from 1980. I mean, it was a mess. And so, we're going over everything. God, I don't remember who my first rep was, but the part I liked was, hey, we're going to clean everything up. Let's get the cleanup done. That's going to be this much. And then we'll start rolling into this. And it's like, hey, what's the contract? There isn't one. Awesome. So I think it took you guys probably, you'd probably know better by looking our stuff, but it was probably a good 2 months to clean up our Google listing. And then Jose had kind of done some things with our website, and then you guys just put it on steroids and made it way better. And so, I can't remember who I had before Diane. And Michael's just, I like Mike. He's a cool dude. We talk business, we get it done. We'll BS about other things. And that's how I tell anybody that comes in here, don't come in here and be a salesman, be a person. Let's talk about other things. And when I first signed up with you guys, like I told the gal, I said, hey, I'm going to sign up. She's like, awesome. I said, but I need you to yell, "Go Hawks," because I know you guys are out of Arizona. She's like, I have no problem with that. I'm originally from Tacoma. And I'm like, oh, okay. So anyway, that was it. I think you guys pretty much reached out to us. Obviously the website, I've even told Michael this, I don't know, him and I just get the bullshit. And so I don't know if he keeps notes or whatever, but we've had people that said they went with us because of the website. That they just said it's clean, it's eye friendly. And so, a lot of people that during COVID and everything, our area blew up. I mean, everyone was trying to get out of the Seattle, Tacoma area, getting out of the Portland area. We even got some Arizona people coming up just because of the heat down there, blah, blah, blah. So, a lot of people don't really know our industry. And for our website to be their deciding factor is pretty cool, I think. How they looked at that and went, yeah, we just went with you guys. And then, then we get a lot of word of mouth too, but people that are just coming into the area, checking out our website. The other part too is just, again, Michael's hammering me. I'm supposed to be getting him pictures so he can update. Do you have pictures for me yet? I'm like, no, I don't. Really? So stuff like that. And then he just got us set up or he's in the process of getting us set up for online payments. That's everything changing. We're getting a lot more people. God, it'd be nice if I could just pay online. And so Michael and I, we were talking about this last year, and then our office manager passed away suddenly. Everything just came to a screeching halt. And so, and that's another thing with Michael that I appreciate, that he kind of would soft a little, hey, when, I don't want to press you, but when do you want to revisit this? And so I think it was our 2 meetings ago. Yeah, I think it was our October meeting, and we brought it up again. So that I talked to him the other day, and he's like, hey, he says, if you can sign up for Square. And I'm like, we're already signed up because we use it for our field guys. So I sent him all our info, and hopefully he'll have that set up soon. So the trust, I mean, that's a lot of it. I mean, you guys know what you do. I know what we do, but I think it's just that part that I trust in you guys. And again, going back to the very beginning, you didn't lock me into a contract. You said, hey, we're going to clean this up. Then if you want to stay on, and to me, I like that. I hate being locked into something, because then 6 months in, they could give a shit less about anything, but I still have to stay on, and so that was probably the biggest part. And I think the other one, like I said, just the trust in what you do. Michael, reaching out to me on different things and getting stuff handled, hammering on me at times when he has to, Sean, I need an answer on this, hey, it's going to take me 10 minutes. I just need you to do your end. And sometimes I need that. So I appreciate that part. So.